Hi, what's up guys? Today we have a new trailer from Marvel, right? Marvel. And the movie name is called obviously Black Panther.
Not white.
Not white, only black. So we're just gonna watch it and give you guys review.
That's right. Let's
or our reaction.
Yeah, reaction, review, whatever.
Yeah.
Let's
jump into the clip.
Yes.
Tell me something. What do you know about Wakanda? It's a third world country. Textiles, shepherds, cool outfits, all front. Explorers have searched for it. Called it El Dorado.
Wow.
They looked for it in South America. But it was in Africa the whole time. I'm the only one who's seen it.
He's the only one who's seen it.
And made it out alive.
Made out of those vibranium.
I can see you. The world is changing. Soon there will only be the conquered and the conquerors. Step into the spotlight. You are a good man. Step into the spotlight. With a good heart. And it's hard for a good man to be a king.
Black
Panther.
Lots and lots of accents.
Very lot.
The movie is awesome and it looks
yeah.
incredible and
Marvel movie is always good.
Yeah,
I always like Marvel movies more than DC. I mean, just saying. But, you know, just
they are way better.
Yeah.
In terms of the storyline and
the storyline and the characters as well. To be honest, I just love them. Yeah. So it sounds. I mean, the movie looks very fantastic, and you know, when the movie came, like, what was the movie that everyone got? I think the Iron Man or Captain America. I think it's in there, the whole team fighting thing. Yeah, in there. So all the characters got, you know, introduced, and now slowly the movies are coming, and you know they're getting their own movies and stuff, which is, I think which is really good, because you know they have their own
franchise.
Like, yeah, exactly. And they show how they actually become one of the, you know, superheroes. So that's really good. Really looking forward to seeing this movie.
That's right.
Yeah, so thumbs up for the movie and thumbs up for the videos.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks guys. See you guys in the next video.
One. Peace out.
Peace out.